bunnies, so for this video, after years and years and years of begging and pleading, I finally have the boyfriend here. This is YTC. And we're going to be doing the Jamaican tag because we're both Jamaican. Ready?
Sure.
First question, last time in Jamaica?
Man, it's been like 12 years.
12 years?
12 years, my grandma's funeral. It's been a long time.
I think the last time I was in Jamaica was 7 years ago.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's 7 or 8. 7. What is your favorite Jamaican dish?
What's yours first? You go first.
I don't have a favorite.
Aki.
Yeah, probably Aki.
For everybody from Jamaica. Huh?
No, I have a friend, she does candies. She doesn't eat Aki.
Weird.
Is it candies? I'm probably lying. It's either candies or it's not candies enough. I'm lying. Household item that best resembles your culture. Dutch paws?
No, this crappy TV stand you
It's
got.
not crappy.
For me it is.
Please, no. The best thing that
I'll
resembles
show you guys
the
in a
culture
minute.
is this is not a crappy TV stand, okay? And it has the Dutch pots. For me, the Dutch pots I think is the best thing that resembles the culture. Everything else is just regular. Say something in Jamaican dialect.
Pass.
I think everything I've said so far was in
No.
Jamaican dialect.
No,
Yes.
You gotta give the real.
You give the real.
I sound weird doing it now. It's been so long.
I don't know. I feel like the whole time I've been talking like in my Jamaican dialect.
No.
I just spoke in my Jamaican dialect.
Okay.
What, I'm gonna
Next.
talk patois?
That's your dialect.
Next question. Which parts of Jamaica are you from?
The best part? Montego Bay. The
No.
best.
No. Okay. I was
The best.
born in Mandeville, Manchester. Cool Mandeville. I was raised in Portsmouth, St. Catherine, and I went to
That's right
school.
next door.
What?
So that's right next door to where I'm from.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You don't even know your map.
Next.
And I went to school in Spanish Town. I have to let everybody know that. What do you like most about Jamaican culture? The people.
The music. The food.
The people.
The food.
The people.
The fruits.
The fruits.
Yes.
Yes.
I miss those.
The fruits. Your best memory in Jamaica?
I don't think I have none.
Really?
Nah.
Oh.
I used to go to school, go to church, and go home. School, church, home. That's it. That was my life.
Aw.
Yeah.
I have so many amazing memories. Like,
Yeah.
I said in a previous video that high school I floated through, but I had like some of the most amazing friends. Like, I loved my friends in high school, so I made a lot of good memories with them. Going to the country on holiday time to visit my aunts and cousins. Amazing memories there.
I don't remember those times. It's been so long. I don't.
Good times, man. Good times. I think just growing up in Jamaica, like I had the luxury of growing up in Jamaica, and I wouldn't trade that for the world. Whereas you came here like.
I was 13.
Still. Yeah, you did grow up in Jamaica. So how do you not?
I just said school, church, home.
Shout out your high school, Jago, all day.
Conroe College, best school in Jamaica.
No, it's
All
literally
boys
not.
school. Well,
It's,
they're changing it now, but you know,
it's
it wasn't
literally-
all boys school.
it literally
best.
is not. San Jago High
Sports,
School
everything.
is the best. Oh, please.
I used to be on the team.
Good for you. Everybody knows Jago is the best school in Jamaica.
Okay.
Without a doubt. Okay.
Never heard of them, but okay.
I never heard about your school either. It's very funny. Very funny. Where in Jamaica would I recommend a friend? Probably where he's from, Montego Bay.
The
You won't
best
get
place.
robbed. You won't get robbed in Montego Bay.
And make sure y'all go to hedonism,
Hedonism.
whatever it's called, man.
That's if you're into the nudity
Yeah.
thing. If you don't mind, walking around without clothes and seeing people without their clothes on.
Yeah.
That should
Don't-
be fun.
don't go
I've
to
never
Kingston.
been. Kingston is not horrible. If you have people
Worse.
in Kingston, no, it depends on where you go. I'm highly sure they're not going like downtown and stuff like that. If you stay in New Kingston, you know, Red Hills them place there, you'll be fine. Okay? Kingston is not horrible. Neither Portmore is not like 100% horrible either. Last question, your current favorite Jamaican artist of Vibes Cartel. Easy.
Yeah, I gotta go with that one too.
It used
Although
to
I
be
don't
Beanie
listen
Man.
to that much.
Really?
Yeah.
It used to be Beanie Man, and then Cartel came on the scene, and he just did it for me. So Cartel, yeah.
But what's the other guy name with the eyes? Alkaline. He's pretty cool.
No,
Yes.
no. I feel like he just trying to
be vibes.
Yes.
He's better.
He's not better. This is what's going to make or break our relationship right here. This conversation right here. If there are any other Jamaicans out there watching this video who have not done the Jamaican tag, because I know this tag is like really old, and then we added, I think, how many questions? 3 questions. Yeah, there are like 3 additional questions that we put on there. So we'll leave the questions in the description bar below, so make sure you check that if you guys want to do the tag. If you do the tag, at me on Twitter at KissyFace454 so that I can watch it. And that's it. Until next time, if you have any questions for us, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.
I don't do that.
Fun.
Nope, I'm hot as shit.
I'm going to be demonstrating with my pink vibrator, and the condom I'm going to be using is from L Condoms. On your condom, there are rigid edges.